Is it recording?
Oh,
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh
no
my god.
problemo. So let's go over when you first came here and with your friend, and you were afraid and because you had something to drink that night, and then you had an accident and you hit a parked car, and then you kept going. And so you were riding in your car with your friend because you called him and said, help me, and he came, and then the police stopped you and your friend and ultimately arrested both of you for DUI and drunk driving and an accident and a hit and run. So the DUI with the accident very often means jail time, real jail time, and it's much more serious. And hitting the car and then leaving is a big crime, is a separate crime called hit and run. And then when you have alcohol levels above the legal limit and an accident and a hit and run, you're facing jail time, you're facing drunk driving, hit and run, and pretty much disgrace for a young student like yourself from another country. Right now, the result is that you do not have a drunk driving charge on your record. You do not have a hit and run. You're not going to go to jail. And being that you are anxious to being a college student and wanting to make a career for yourself, what do you think about that? How do you feel about not having a DUI?
I can explain how can I make my word. Like it was really, yeah, it's kind of the first time I did that happen. I didn't think it was me. Like because that time I was so nervous, and then I didn't know what I was doing. So and after that happened, like I felt it's really tremendous happened to me, and then it could be getting back to me really big problem with really big problem. So like I really regret what I was doing that time, and then I really how can I say, I realize I'm also just one human being, and then I didn't, after that, before that time I didn't know I'm gonna do that kind of things, but after that I realized that I'm the only just one human, and then I can make a mistake, and then the thing is I have to make my mistake getting down. I have to make it myself more tightly, and then yeah, that kind of thing. So yeah, I really appreciated you, law firm, really.
Would you recommend to other people that they hire our law firm if they have a DUI?
Yeah, of course. Because after that happened, I met some people who already got DUI, and then I explained my situation to them, and they said it was really big. It could be really big problem, but after I let them know about my result, and then they said they even don't believe what you guys did. So
they told you can't win, and if you hire a lawyer, you just waste your money. They told you.
Yeah. They said it's gonna be really waste of your money. You can just go to the court and just keep it down. So yeah. But anyway, I can't explain how I can express my feeling to you, your law firm, and then I really thank you guys. Yeah.
Tell us, sometimes I get a Korean client. Do you mind saying in Korean to the Korean clients that are there how you felt when you came in and how you feel now? Can you speak Korean? on
You
the
mean like
video.
in Korean?
Yeah, because sometimes I have Korean clients.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh.
can you tell them how you felt when you came here and how you feel now? Can you speak Korean and tell them?
Oh, it's really awkward actually.
Really?
Yeah, but
It's your home language?
yeah, I never like, but because it's not. I mean, like, my result is very good, but what I was doing is, anyway, is was my mistake. So I can't tell how can I make my word because it was my mistake. So and I don't like like it's kind of awkward for me to explain
No
my situation
problem.
in
It's
English
okay.
in Korean
Yeah.
like that.
No
you notice
problem.
that this case is very thick.
It's
Yeah.
So we did a lot of work on the case. We didn't just go in and say, oh, they dropped everything.
Oh,
It's a lot of work, and you can see it's several inches thick.
it was my case.
This is your case, yeah, and it's several inches thick. And you came to us a long time ago, and several months ago, and we finally got it down. So I congratulate you, and you won't drink and drive anymore in the future.
I never ever. I'm not gonna drink and drive anymore. Really. Yeah.
Well, thank you very, very much for the interview, and we'll be using this publicly, and you give us permission to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, because that was our agreement. Okay, thank you. Thank you.